So now we are starting our new chapter, that is General Organic Chemistry. So this is the first lecture. The first topic we are going to start is reaction. Now, reaction means breaking of old bonds and formation of new bonds. So whenever a reaction takes place, old bond breaks up and the new bond is formed. For example, suppose if I say X, Y plus NO. Now, if these are reacting, so actually X and Y are having some bond, plus N and O, they are having some bond. Now, these bonds will break and they may form XO plus NY. So, this is the new bond formed. And this is breaking of old bonds. Clear? Now, this actually what is happening in reaction. Now, why this bond is breaking and why this bond is formed. Now, in this case, what happens? That there is electron movement. The electron is moved from the old bond and towards a new bond, or you can say that there is a change in energy during the formation of and breaking of bond. And the rate of transfer of reactants into the product is referred as a reaction mechanism. Clear? So, during the reaction, during the reaction, there is transfer of electron, or you can say there is electron movement and energy is consumed oblique evolved. Energy is consumed oblique evolved and bond is formed. Okay, and bond is formed. The rates of transformation, of reactant into product is referred as a reaction mechanism. ओके, तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि किसी भी रिएक्शन के दौरान क्या होता है, ट्रांसफर होता है इलेक्ट्रॉन की मूवमेंट होती है एक प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस, कोई ना कोई एनर्जी कंज्यूम होती है या फिर कोई ना कोई एनर्जी इवॉल्व होती है, और जो रेट जिस रेट पे ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो रही है रिएक्टेंट से प्रोडक्ट के बीच में, उसे हम लोग बोलते हैं रिएक्शन मैकेनिज्म, और आप कह सकते हैं उस पूरी काइनेटिक्स को बोलते हैं हम लोग रिएक्शन मैकेनिज्म काइनेटिक्स। फाइन, ठीक है। अब इसी चीज में एक आता है रिएक्टेंट की डेफिनेशन आती है रिएक्टेंट की। रिएक्टेंट क्या होता है? स्पीसीज ऑन विच रिएजेंट इज अटैकिंग, स्पीसीज ऑन विच reagent is attacking is known as reactant। एंड सेकंड डेफिनेशन आती है हमारे पास में reagent की, reagent और attacking species, because हम reagent और attacking species, these are those, or you can say species which attack on reactant are known as attacking species। एंड इन सब के बारे में हम लोग डिटेल में अभी पढ़ते हैं। सबसे पहले आता है बॉन्ड क्लीवेज। बॉन्ड क्लीवेज means breaking of bond। But this bond cleavage is of two types। The first one is heterolytic cleavage। The second one is homolytic cleavage, or you can say bond fusion also, sometimes we call it as a bond fusion also। So heterolytic and homolytic। Now it is from the name it is clear that homolytic and heterolytic, hetero means different and homo means same, a same type of, you can say, a distribution of electrons, and heterolytic means different distribution of electrons। Okay, so before this, in this term there is a one more term is there, reaction intermediate। Reaction intermediate। Reaction intermediate is a, you can say, it's a intermediate product formed when the species are attacked, or between the final product and the reactant, the intermediate species is known as a reaction intermediate। It is species between reactant and product। Clear? Okay. Now hydrolytic cleavage is that in which unequal distribution of electron takes place। Unequal distribution of electron takes place during the bond fusion, or you can say bond cleavage। Fine. Homolytic is the one in which equal distribution of electron takes place during the bond fusion। Clear? Okay. Now in this case, because of unequal distribution, or you can write due to unequal distribution of electrons, ions are formed. Ions are formed. That is why it is also known as ionic cleavage. Ions are formed, so also known as ionic cleavage. Fine. Okay, in this case, due to equal distribution of electrons, without charge, unpaired electron species are formed. Without charge, unpaired electron species are formed. Without charge, unpaired electron species are formed. Known as free radical. Known as free radical. Got it? Any doubt up to this point? Now, in both the cleavages, the important thing is that in both cleavages, three type of things are formed. Three type of species are formed. Up to this point कोई doubt है बेटा? बता फटाफट मानो। पहला कौन सा आ जाएगा? 1 carry positive charge. Second, 1 which carry negative charge. And third one is neutral with unpaired electron. Clear? So in this case, we can say that these both are going to give you these three type of things. One carry positive charge, other carry negative charge, and the other one is the neutral with unpaired electron. यहाँ तक ये बात क्लियर हो गई सारी? कोई डाउट इसके अंदर? ठीक है, अब जरा हेटेरोटिक का एग्जांपल देखो यहाँ पे। इसका एग्जांपल मैं यहीं पे बना देता हूँ। चलो नेक्स्ट पेज पे एग्जांपल देखते हैं इसका। सपोज करो कार्बन है ये, बॉन्ड ब्रेक हुआ, सी पॉजिटिव इलेक्ट्रॉन लेके बाहर निकल गया, प्लस Z नेगेटिव। And these electrons are with Z, या फिर ये बन सकता है, ये क्या बन सकता है, C प्लस Z पॉजिटिव। यहाँ पे बनी पॉजिटिव चार्ज, पॉजिटिव चार्ज ऑन कार्बन, और यहाँ पे क्या आया, नेगेटिव चार्ज ऑन कार्बन। दिस इज नोन एज हाइड्रोलिटिक बॉन्ड फ्यूजन। क्लियर? और सिंपली यू कैन से आयनिक बॉन्ड फ्यूजन, हाइड्रोलिटिक और आयनिक बॉन्ड फ्यूजन। सेकंड सपोज करो ये है, इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हुआ यहाँ पे, ये हम लोग क्रॉस से डिनोट कहते हैं ना, ये क्रॉस से डिनोट कर देते हैं। सिंगल इलेक्ट्रॉन है, ये आया, these are known as free radicals because they have unpaired electrons। यहाँ तक क्लियर है? कोई डाउट इसमें किसी चीज का? बॉन्ड फ्यूजन इज क्लियर? ओके जी। नाउ आफ्टर दिस वी हैव अटैकिंग रिएजेंट्स। अब ये जो नेगेटिव वाला बना है यहाँ पे और ये जो पॉजिटिव वाले बने आए यहाँ पे अटैकिंग, इनके बारे में हम लोग पढ़ते हैं, ठीक है? देन नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट attacking reagent। The species which attack on a reactant are known as reactant molecule or intermediate to and form a product are known as attacking species. Are known as attacking species. Then types of attacking species. The first one is electrophile, electrophilic. Electro means electron plus loving, the one which loves electron. This species which love electron, and which is going to love electron, those who are having positive charge. So it means the reagent which attack on negative of the molecule or love the electron are known as electrophilic. So electrophiles are those which attack on the negative of the molecule, which attacks on the negative of the molecule or loves electron. Clear? Got it? So who will form? Example. Wait. एग्जाम्पल क्या बनेगा इसके अंदर? पहला, तो विच आर गोइंग टू लव इलेक्ट्रॉन, जो इलेक्ट्रॉन की तरफ खींचा चला जा रहा है, दैट शुड बी अ पॉजिटिव चार्ज, यानी पॉजिटिव चार्ज पीसेस. The neutral atom that accept the electrons from the substance are positively charged electrophiles. Positive charge species, that is positive charge electrophiles, like H positive, SO3 positive, NO positive, X positive, R positive. There are so many, like CH2, OH, like this, positive, CH3, C double bond O, positive, CH2 double bond CH, positive. These are the positively charged pieces or positively charged electrophiles. B can be neutral electrophile, neutral electrophiles. Like neutral electrophiles are those which are electron deficient, which are electron deficient. Example, CF3, AlCl3, SO3, ZnCl2, barium chloride, FeCl3, CO2, SnCl4. So these all, whatever the which are electron deficient, or you can say simple Lewis acid. So all these compounds are neutral electrophiles. Clear? Fine. Any doubt in this? Up to this point, any doubt? Okay. एक second. Okay. Neutral electrophiles हो गए हमारे पास यहाँ पे. पॉजिटिव चार्ज करा हमने, न्यूट्रल करते हैं अब. न्यूट्रल के अंदर और एग्जांपल्स हम लोग आ सकते हैं. C double bond O और C star O Cl और Mg. The star indicates the atom that accepts the electron. ये जो स्टार का मतलब यहाँ पे, star means that atom is going to accept electron. Fine. यहाँ पे मतलब this carbon is going to accept electron. In this case, carbon, in this case magnesium is going to accept electron. So these all are the neutral electrophiles. They are going to accept electron. In case of CH3, Cn, this carbon. In case of R, OH, H. Not R, OH, H, इसको छोड़ो एग्जाम्पल को R, O ले लेते हैं. In this case R. So there are so many examples are there. Basically हम लोग अभी ये example करते हैं. ठीक है. Free radicals, carbines and nitrines act as electrophiles. तो इनके बारे में हम लोग बाद में बात करते हैं. फ्री रेडिकल इन सब के बारे में अभी अलग बात करते हैं. इलेक्ट्रोफाइल हमने बात कर ली. यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रोफाइल से इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक रिएजेंट और इनको बोलते हैं हम लोग इलेक्ट्रोफाइल. ELECTRO PHILES. These are known as electrophiles. ठीक है. अब सेकंड अटैकिंग स्पीशीज आते हैं हमारे पास न्यूक्लियोफाइल्स. Nucleophiles mean nucleus plus loving. Those who loves nucleus, that is, those who love nucleus, that is, positive charge loving species. So nucleophiles are the one which are positively charged loving species or which attack on positive substance, or you can say that which attack on positive part of molecule. Okay. Example. Nucleophile are negatively charged. So those who are of negative charge only can attack the fine, like OH negative, OR negative, CN negative, X negative, COO negative, NH2, SH, etc. There are so many are there, like CH2 double bond C, H. The second one are neutral, that is neutral nucleophiles. These are all Lewis base. Lewis base, you will study this in equilibrium chapter. Lewis base वगैरह क्या होते हैं उनके बारे में पढ़ेंगे. which contains lone pair. जिसके पास लोन पेयर होता है दे आर गोइंग टू एक्ट एज अ न्यूक्लियोफाइल, लाइक वाटर, ROH, NH3, R3N, R2NH, H2S, etc. So many are there. Like RMG, X, in this case, R, RLI, lithium aluminum hydride, LAH, CH3CN, R3ZN, where again star mark indicates the atom which can donate electron, which donates electron. So atom which is going to donate electron is marked like this. Clear? Any doubt up to this point? कोई doubt है इसके अंदर? तो दो हो गए हमारे पास अटैकिंग स्पीसीज, इलेक्ट्रोफाइल पड़ा, एक न्यूक्लियोफाइल पड़ा, ठीक है। अब एक अटैकिंग स्पीसीज आती है हमारे पास एमबी फाइल, AMPHIMP फाइल। AMPHIMP फाइल। So MV file are those which containing, you can say, molecules which contains a multiple bond between carbon and more electronegative atom, carbon and more electronegative एलिमेंट। जब कार्बन और किसी मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट के बीच में बॉन्ड बनेगा तो क्या होगा, एक जगह पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ जाएगा और एक जगह पे नेगेटिव चार्ज आ जाएगा। फाइन। So molecules which contains a multiple bond between carbon and more electronegative element can form both or can act as a, not can form, can act as both, can act as both. Example, in this case what happens, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन इधर चले जाते हैं ऑक्सीजन की तरफ, तो ऑक्सीजन पे नेगेटिव चार्ज आ गया तो इट विल फॉर्म अ, ऑक्सीजन इज अ न्यूक्लियोफाइल, न्यूक्लियस लविंग, एंड इस पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ जाएगा so it will become a electrophile. Clear? In this case, nitrogen is negative charge, that is nucleophile. And this carbon will become electrophile. क्लियर? यहाँ तक कोई डाउट इसमें बताओ फटाफट. नो? चलिए. Electrophile and nucleophile. We will do some differences. पहला पॉइंट. अब तक कोई डाउट है तो बता जल्दी से फटाफट. Electrophile accepts electron pair. Nucleophile supplies electron pair. Second point, these are electron deficient. They are electron rich. Attack point of electron high electron density. They attacks on or attack point of high electron density, attacks on point of low electron density. Low electron density. They are Lewis acid. They are Lewis base. Fine. Usually they are positive charge. Usually they are negative charged. Fine. So these are the difference between the electrophile and the nucleophile. Or difference you can take fixed, like forms an extra bond with nucleophile. Yeah, leave it. They have empty orbital to accept electron and 6 point you can write there. They have lone pair to lose. Okay, so these are the 6 differences between the nucleophile and the electrophile. Clear? Any doubt up to this point? Okay, I think that is sufficient for today. बहुत है आज के लिए. आज हमने क्या पढ़ा? अटैकिंग रिएजेंट पढ़े. न्यूक्लियोफाइल अटैकिंग रिएजेंट क्या होता है, ये सब चीजें हमने आज कर दिया. ठीक है.